This is our new construction simulator that will give your trainees a risk-free introduction to the use of construction equipment and farming implements.
The simulator frame is a custom-designed half cabin, powder-coated in safety yellow, with a lift handle and keyboard shelf at the rear. An adjustable vehicle seat and seatbelt are included, plus 4 different controllers and a 35-inch curved monitor with speakers. A powerful Windows-based PC is installed under the seat. The buyer gets the logos of their choice inserted into the artwork of the sticker package to professionally brand their simulator frame. The controls have numerous buttons, switches, toggles and joysticks, plus a steering wheel, all of which can be programmed to simulate the operation of various machinery, including tractors, bobcats and excavators. The foot pedals can be programmed for turning tracked machines or set up as accelerator and brake for steering wheel equipped vehicles. To keep the simulator affordable, it operates using a range of simulation software for construction, earth moving and farming. With all of the controllers being programmable, the instructor can set up a control profile to replicate each machine's operating systems. Being Windows-based, additional machinery and software can be purchased and added over time. SDT also has a range of light vehicle driving simulators available. Our simulators are in use across Australia and several overseas locations. Contact SDT Simulator Driver Training for more information.